Welcome to the exciting world of GPTChat. You may have wondered whether this incredible language model can access the internet, and the answer is a resounding yes. GPT is capable of reading and processing vast amounts of information on the web, but why does it often respond with an inability to access the internet? The reason for this common response is that GPT is typically trained on text-based data, such as books, articles, and other written content, and does not have the capability to access files or download media like images and videos directly from the web. However, with the right tools and programming, GPT can be used to scrape and analyze web pages, search engines, and other internet sources to extract relevant data and insights. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of GPT and the internet, including how to use GPT to analyze text-based web content, how to train GPT on web-specific data, and how to integrate GPT with other internet tools and technologies. You'll discover the incredible power and versatility of GPT, and learn how it can help you to unlock valuable insights and intelligence from the vast universe of online information. So, whether you're a developer, researcher, or just curious about the latest advances in AI and language models, be sure to tune into this exciting video and discover the limitless possibilities of GPTChat and the internet.
So, let us take a first look at a simple internet access scenario for GPTChat. The following prompt will render formatted rich text rewrite of an article on the web, in this case, OpenAI's news release about GPT-4. Here is the prompt: act as the author and provide a rewrite of a paraphrased and comprehensive detailed article in auto-language markdown format that has a H1 main title, example number this is a title, and broken down into H2 subtitles, example number this is a subtitle, for the following article. You must follow the rules. Max number of words is 4,000. You must follow the rules. Write the article in Markdown format. Create a main title for the article as Markdown H1 and break the article into subtitles where each subtitle is Markdown H2. Summary should be informative and act as a replacement for the original transcript to the point that the user doesn't have to go back to read the full article. Summary should not mention the author or speaker at all, should act as your independent writing without referencing the original transcript or speaker. You can use bullet points within the article. The article should be written in the style of T.A. Sullivan. Here is the article: https://openai.com/product/GPT4. Now, we will have a look at what happens when we tell GPTChat to rewrite an article from an external URL. You may also notice that apart from being able to draw and extract text from the internet, GPTChat can also format its output in Markdown format. Now let us see how GPT prints out a rewritten and paraphrased rich text article based on data it has accessed on the internet, after its training data was halted, with no further updates, in 2021. We will also change the author to J.R.R. Tolkien, just for fun. You should experiment with how you phrase things when prompting and prepping GPT, because you may be surprised to see the difference in results you may get by merely rephrasing a request. Here, we can see an output that was already printed out by GPT. Here is what it looks like. As you can see, it has the headers and formatted text that was requested in the prompt using Markdown language. Here, you can see the source information was scraped from an external URL on the internet. This is the proof that GPT can access the internet. However, there remains much to be told about just how many ways you can use GPT directly, or using third-party apps or an API to integrate GPT language processing technology into a multitude of applications for specific tasks. We shall now do a live demonstration of the example prompt used to print out the article we just saw, so you can see GPT print out the results, this time, using the Wikipedia page from OpenAI. As you may notice, we changed the author's name and style, to that of J.R.R. Tolkien. One could repeatedly ask GPT to rewrite and paraphrase this same article numerous times using the writing style of various authors, or just request writing styles, such as, write with technical prowess or, write with great literary flair and poetic grace. Anyway, to return to the current project, take note, that when GPTChat finishes outputting data, and reaches its conclusion, that, in the final passage, the information printed out is out of date, saying that GPT-4 is yet to be released. This is because the Wikipedia page is also out of date, and still refers to GPT-4, as a future release. We rectify this with a final prompt, that requests the conclusion be updated to refer to GPT as if version 4 was already released. This is because, GPT does not know yet that it has been updated, or perhaps, it knows, but is merely obeying orders interpreting the Wikipedia page literally. Perhaps even the request to update it as if version 4 had already been released, is also a mindless printout. The only way to find out, is to ask GPT which version it is. So, now we tell GPT to change the conclusion text, and rewrite it as if GPT-4 was already released. Because, indeed, it is.